So if you are given an expression like this and you are asked to find all the possible values of a, now what most people do is that they cancel out a from each side of the equation because it is common. Now if you do that, you won't be able to get all the possible values of a, even if you get the values that you have gotten from cancelling out. So what do you do to get all the possible values of a? You take this expression to the other side of the equation. So it becomes a cubed minus 4a is equals to what? 0. Now you can factorize. A is common. So you have a, you bring out your a. What will remain here is a squared minus 4 is equals to 0. Now, how do we factorize this? Now you can see, if you look at this expression, they are both squares. A squared is a result of what? A times a. And 4 is as a result of what? 2 times 2. So it can be written as what? A into a squared minus 2 squared is equals to 0. Now, from algebra, we have been shown that if you have an expression like x squared minus y squared, you can actually express this as what? X minus y into x plus y. We call this the difference of two squares. So as long as these algebra are perfect squares and there's a minus sign in between them, you can always express it like this. So we can simplify this now using this. It becomes what? A into what? A minus 2 a plus 2, using this to express it, equals to what? 0. Now we can now find our values of a. So since each of them has been factorized, we can now express them to 0. So our values of a becomes what? A equals to 0, a minus 2 equals to 0, and what? A plus 2 equals to 0. So our a is equals to 0, a is equals to 2, and what? A is equals to minus 2. So you can see we have 3 values of a, which gives us all the possible values of a. If you cancel out a, you're going to be left with what? A square. A square is equals to what? 4. And you will get only 2 values of a. So when you are asked to find all the possible values of a, follow this step. Bye.